You ever get that quiet feeling like somehow you missed your window, like everyone else figured something out and you're just trying to catch up? If you're over 40 and feeling behind in life, I want you to hear this clearly. You're not too late, but you do need to learn one thing. Hey, I'm Carl. I'm a dad, a grandpa, and honestly someone who had to start over later in life. And I know what it feels like to sit there thinking, where do I even begin now? Because it's not just about money, right? It's deeper than that. It's that feeling of wanting to provide more, wanting a little freedom, maybe even wanting to retire one day without stress. But instead, you feel stuck. Maybe you've tried things before, maybe they didn't work, or maybe everything online just feels too complicated, too fast, too young. Here's what I've learned. The problem isn't that you're behind. The problem is that no one showed you where to start. Not with hype, not with 100 tools, just something simple. So if you're over 40 and trying to figure things out, here's the one thing I'd focus on first. Learn how to create simple content online. That's it. Not coding, not complicated funnels, just sharing what you're learning, talking about your journey, helping someone one step behind you. Because today, content is how people build income, build trust, and build opportunities. And no, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be honest, consistent, and willing to start small. That might look like short videos, simple posts, even just sharing what you're learning each day. That's how I started. Not perfect, not confident, just showing up. If you're feeling behind right now, I want you to hear this. You're not behind in life. You're just at a different starting point. And there's still time, more than you think. But it starts with one step, not 10, just one. If you're sitting there thinking, okay, but I still don't know exactly what to do next, I get that. That's actually why I joined a community called the Freedom Builders Club. It's a place where people, a lot of them starting later, just like us, are learning simple ways to build income online, step by step. No pressure, no complicated tech, just real people figuring it out together. If you want to take that next step, I've left a link below. You can check it out and see if it feels like a good fit for you. And either way, just start small. That's where everything begins.